Learning is a profound and dynamic process that extends far beyond the confines of textbooks and classrooms. The true essence of knowledge lies in its practical application in real-life situations. Whether you've acquired new skills, gained insights from books, or expanded your expertise through courses, the ability to apply what you've learned is the litmus test of your understanding and growth. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the art of translating knowledge into action, providing valuable insights and strategies for effectively applying what you've learned in various aspects of life. The significance of practical application. Uniting theory and practice. Learning often begins with theory, the acquisition of knowledge, concepts, and principles. However, it is in the application of this theoretical understanding that knowledge truly comes to life. When theory meets practice, concepts transform into tangible results, and wisdom emerges from experience. Transforming information into skills. Consider the analogy of learning to swim. Reading about swimming techniques and watching instructional videos can provide theoretical knowledge, but it is only when you plunge into the water and apply those techniques that you become a swimmer. Similarly, applying what you've learned transforms information into skills, enriching your repertoire of abilities. Driving personal and professional growth. The ability to apply knowledge and skills is a cornerstone of personal and professional development. It enables individuals to innovate, problem solve, and adapt to changing circumstances. Furthermore, it empowers them to contribute meaningfully to their communities and organizations. The art of applying what you've learned. Identifying relevant scenarios. The first step in applying what you've learned is recognizing opportunities and situations where your knowledge or skills are applicable. This could span various aspects of life, including work, personal endeavors, hobbies, and community involvement. Setting clear objectives. Once you've identified a relevant scenario, define clear objectives for applying your knowledge or skills. What specific outcomes do you aim to achieve? Having a well-defined goal provides direction and purpose. Planning and strategizing. A thoughtful plan is the scaffold upon which successful application is built. Outline the steps, resources, and tools required to achieve your objectives. This plan acts as your roadmap, ensuring a systematic approach to application. Practice and repetition. Practice is the crucible where theory is transmuted into practice. Whether it's mastering a musical instrument, honing a language, or perfecting a culinary technique, repetition is the crucible of expertise. Diligent and focused practice reinforces learning. Seeking constructive feedback. Feedback is a compass that guides your journey. Encourage feedback from mentors, peers, or experts in the field. Constructive criticism helps you identify areas for improvement and fine-tune your approach. Reflecting and evaluating. Regular self-reflection is a keystone of learning and growth. Periodically assess your experiences and progress. What worked well, and what could be enhanced? This self-assessment fosters continuous improvement. Adapting and iterating. Flexibility is a hallmark of effective application. Be open to adapting your approach based on feedback and evolving circumstances. The ability to iterate and refine your methods is a hallmark of mastery. Collaboration and knowledge sharing. Collaboration with others who share similar interests or goals can be immensely enriching. Sharing your knowledge and experiences with others can lead to new insights and opportunities for application. Teaching others. Teaching is a potent means of solidifying your understanding. When you teach what you've learned to someone else, you are forced to clarify your comprehension. This process can highlight areas where you need further refinement. Staying informed and updated. Knowledge is not static, it evolves. Stay informed about developments in your field of interest. Continuously update your understanding to remain relevant and effective in your applications. Challenging yourself. Growth often occurs beyond your comfort zone. Embrace challenges and opportunities that stretch your abilities. These experiences can catalyze significant personal and professional development. Documenting your journey. Keep a record of your experiences, successes, and even failures. This documentation serves as a valuable reference for future endeavors. It can offer insights, inspiration, and a reminder of how far you've come. Celebrating achievements. Acknowledging your achievements, no matter how small, is vital. Celebrating milestones along your journey can boost motivation, enhance your self-esteem, and sustain your drive. Patience and persistence. The path to effective application may be challenging and may not always yield immediate results. Maintain patience and persistence in your efforts. Recognize that learning and mastery are often long-term pursuits. Seeking mentorship. If possible, seek mentorship or guidance from someone experienced in your field of interest. A mentor can provide invaluable insights, offer guidance, and accelerate your learning curve. Conclusion. The transformative power of application. In the realm of learning, knowledge gains its true value when it is translated into action. The ability to apply what you've learned is the bridge between theory and reality, between potential and achievement. It is through the practical application of knowledge and skills that individuals propel themselves toward personal and professional growth. The journey of applying what you've learned is not a solitary endeavor. It is a dynamic process that demands continuous self-reflection, adaptability, and perseverance. Whether you are learning a new language, mastering a craft, or seeking to make a difference in your community, the principles of effective application remain constant. As you embark on this journey of application, remember that mastery is not a destination but an ongoing voyage. The ability to apply knowledge and skills is not merely a culmination but a continuous evolution, a testament to the unceasing quest for excellence. In the application of what you've learned, you will not only enrich your own life but also contribute meaningfully to the world around you, leaving a lasting impact on those you touch with your wisdom and expertise.